Let's talk about the versioning inside a ProjectWise web environment. First of all, to display the previous versions, you can click on the three dots here and then display options. By turning on this option, we can show all the previous versions of the document. For this Excel spreadsheet, it has two versions. The previous version is version A. The little icon here indicates this document is the previous version, and version B is the active version. And secondly, inside a ProjectWise web environment, it's very easy to create a new version. To create a new version, you just click on the three dots beside the active version, and then you can select new versions here. If you don't specify the version label here, it will, based upon the active version, is going to figure out the next available version label. In this case, because the active version is version B, so if I don't specify the label here, it's going to use version C as the new version. As you can see, it always using the latest version as the seed to create a new version. You're probably wondering, if I want to use the version A as the seed to create a new version, can I do that using ProjectWise Web? Unfortunately, currently, we do not support that operation. But as an alternative, what you can do, you can create a new version. That's no problem using the version B as the seed file. If you want to reactivate version A, what you can do, you can click on the three dots beside version A, and then you can say download. Essentially, it download the version A file to the downloads folder. So now you can go back to the version C, and you can say replace file. You can choose the version A file you download to the downloads folder. Now, using this file, using the version A file, to replace the physical file attached to this version C. In this case, we technically using the version A as the seed to create a version, the latest version, which is the version C. It's not a direct operation, but before we offer that capability, you can use this alternative in the interim.